Hey friends! Before we dive in, if you want to save some cash while squashing that debt, check the link in the description for a special offer. Go on, treat yourself. Alright, let's talk about paying off debt. I know, it's about as fun as watching paint dry. But what if I told you there are apps out there that make it actually kind of fun? Or at least less painful. First up, Undebt.it. This one's like your debt fairy godmother. You pop in all your debts, choose a payoff plan, snowball, avalanche, custom, you do you, and it maps out a plan. Plus, the charts are so satisfying, you'll want to pay off debt just to see the progress bars move. Next, let's chat about Tally. If you've got a stack of credit cards, Tally's like having a mate who's really good at maths and even better at organization. You link your cards and Tally pays them off in the best order to save you money, then you pay Tally back. They even send reminders so you don't forget and get whacked with fees. Then there's Qoins. This one's sneaky, in a good way. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest pound and sticks the spare change toward your debt. So you're chipping away at debt without even thinking about it. It's like the financial equivalent of finding a tenner in your coat pocket. Now, for my spreadsheet lovers out there, every dollar might be your jam. It's a budget app, but it's also brilliant for debt payoff because you can assign every single pound a job. Watching that debt number shrink is honestly addictive. And if you want to gamify the whole thing, check out Debt Payoff Planner. It turns debt payoff into a bit of a challenge, so you stay motivated. There's even confetti when you hit your goals. And who doesn't want confetti? Alright, if you're serious about kicking debt to the curb, give one or all of these a whirl. And don't forget, there's a special offer in the description to help you get started. Smash that like button for good money karma and drop a comment below if you've tried any of these or have your own secret weapon for paying off debt fast. Catch you next time and happy saving!